fact is, all successful traders have a consistent, systematic way in which they approach the market. Every time that they open up a new trade, they've got a set of rules that they follow, and those rules will help them approach the market in that consistent manner. I know there may appear at times to be intuitive traders out there who look like they're just following their gut feeling, but I'd like to put forward the idea that even intuitive traders are approaching the market in a systematic approach. They may have just traded their system for so long that they've internalized their system and those sets of rules that they follow. The fact is, all successful traders are approaching the market in a consistent manner. We need to help you identify a trading system that's right for you, that enables you to approach the market in a similar consistent manner. Now the challenge becomes, well, where do we get this trading system? There really are hundreds and hundreds of ways to trade the market profitably. I suppose not a day goes by that I don't get one of the offers in my email of a new trading system that promises fantastic returns. But where I see most traders going wrong is they're trying to take someone else's system and match it in for themselves. But the fact is, everybody's different when they come to the market. Everybody's got different time availability, people have different comfort levels, people have, different tolerances for risk. You really do need to match the trading system to the individual. As I said, there's hundreds of different trading methods out there that work. I've seen people do momentum trading. I've seen fundamental investors. I've even seen a ballroom dancer who trades the markets based on, a box theory. As I said, there are hundreds and hundreds of different ways. The key is to find a consistent approach that's right for you. Let me give you an example. I had a client who came to me and he was really keen to start trading the Forex market. He'd seen a lot of advertising about it and he heard that there were fantastic returns to be made. So he was saying, right, I found a Forex system that I'd like to start trading, and it was a very short-term, very aggressive trading system that required lots of buys and sells. Yet when I dug a little bit deeper to find out, well, are you going to be trading the Forex full-time? He was, no, well, I've got a 9-to-5 job and I really only have about 5 or 10 minutes in the morning and then a little bit of time in the evening to trade this system. And I said to him, look, what you're doing is you're setting yourself up to fail, because that type of trading system requires a lot more time than you can give to it. So one of the first things that I do when working with new coaching clients is get them to find out and ask questions about themselves and make sure that they know exactly what it is that they're looking to get out of the market. And ultimately, this will help define and identify what markets they're going to trade and ultimately what system they're going to trade. Within this chapter, I've got a few questions, a questionnaire if you will, that'll help you identify your current position so you can then choose a market that's right for you. There's stocks, options, Forex, futures. There's a whole host of markets that you can trade out there. What I want to put forward is the idea that you want to have that consistent approach, as I talked about. You want to choose one market to trade, you want to choose one method to trade, and you want to make sure that you follow that through and become the master at that particular method. Instead of trying to, trade a little bit of this and a little bit of that, there are so many different opportunities out there. There's so many opportunities that you'll never grab all of them. You need to try and get your little sphere, carve out your little niche where you're strong, and then really master that. And that's what this chapter's about. So go ahead, take a read, and answer the questions below.